قلبي عزيز الغفل بس هذيك كانوا يعملوا في السلمي وانا نوصل نقول انا كنت الرزبيله يا حب حياتي ليه مامي عزيزة خلي الغريب ولا قول مش تفسد ما
Prossima fermata, Chiasso. Questo treno prosegue come Regio Express 80 Trio per Como San Giovanni, Seregno, Milano Centrale. L'attraversamento del confine è consentito unicamente con documenti di viaggio validi e in assenza di merce
and without any merchandise or currency that requires declaration.
I think this is border city. So after that is Italy. This is Switzerland still. Chiasso. That's why they are asking for valid travel documents and need to declare currency if we are holding more. This is a border city, Chiasso.
Μου λέει εντάξει το σέβομαι, μετά σου λέω είναι εντάξει ο Χριστός. Μου λέει το σέβομαι, γιατί και αυτός υπάρχει. Το σέβομαι μου λέει Ανδρέα, στον Έλληνο ναι. Τέλος πάντων, αυτό.
We are in Milan. Already entered like 5 minutes back. You can see the beautiful flats now. This is Milano Central Station. Milan Central Station. It's called Milano Centrale in Italian. So I came to this station several times in the 2018 September month. Almost like every weekend I used to come from Turin and I used to go to either Switzerland or France or coming from Austria. So I have used this station. It's a beautiful station several times, maybe like 10 times, 15 times. I got down from this train after traveling from Lugano. This train has started at 5:02 p.m. Now it is 6:20 p.m. So almost like 1 hour 15 minutes. The journey via Lake Como, not Lake Como, Como and Chiasso and other stops. It was excellent journey and I have crossed the border at Chiasso, but no border checks have been conducted because I am already in Schengen area. So this is Milano Centrale Station. Excellent architecture. This is Milano Central Station. You can see all the platforms. This is Torino, going to Torino. Torino where I have stayed in 2018 for 1 month. So Torino, Portonova, Turin. So that is super fast bullet train from Italo. So all these platforms are bullet train platforms. Beautiful Milan Central Station. Now I have to take metro. Change only 3-4 stops, but I have to change. I have to take 2 metros. So I just as per Google. Now I have to check where I have to take metro. So this is Freccia Rossa. Freccia Rossa is a bullet train. It's called Red Arrow in Italian. It is one of the fastest. It goes above 300 kilometers per hour. So Freccia Rossa is very famous in Italy. It connects Milan, Naples, Rome, Venice, Florence, Turin. So all other important cities in Italy. So very important. So it always travels 300 kilometers plus So this is Frecciarossa. But it is expensive. Like if ordinary train is 12 francs, 12 euros, in Frecciarossa it takes like 36 euros. This is Frecciarossa. All these three trains. Beautiful Milano Central. Excellent. One of the best train stations in Europe and Italy. See the digital boards. Here also digital boards are very famous, very up to date. So I am using this exit and I have to go to metro. So I came outside of platforms area. So now I have to go down to take metro. Still see the beautiful train station and departures. It is called Partenza in Italian language. So I am going down to take metro. You can see M. M is for metro. See the beautiful display boards. Trains going to Verona, Toman, Venice, Venezia means Venice, Domodossola border, Swiss with Swiss, Bologna, Lecco, Torino is Turin, Zurich. So Trenitalia train. So all are going to different cities within Italy and also outside Italy. So this is Milano Central Station. Beautiful building. So this is the entrance for metro M3 and M2. I have to take M3 and just change after 2 stops. But I have to buy a ticket. So everything is new for me here. So it will take some time to get used to Milan metro. So I will be spending 2 days here, entire 2 days. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Sunday and Monday. So first I have to know how can I use metro. Then only I can go around. Line is M3 metro, but I have to see which direction I have to take. This is San Donato and you can see M2. These are all metro lines. So I have to check Google like which, that is M2 line. So which line I have to take. This is M3 metro plan. So I am at Centrale, Milano Centrale. I have to take M3 and go to Zara, and from there I have to change. So I have to take train going Comosina. So I have to train going to Comosina, M3. So that means I am on right platform. So just now one train left, but as this is metro, we have every 2-3 minutes metro in Milan or any other city. So I will take next metro train. So it is coming already. So then I will get down at Zara, 2 stops after this. So that was out of service train. This is the correct train. So M3. Oh. M5. So I have to go all the way to. I am in Zara, so I have to go Sensio. So 1, 2, 3, 4th stop. So an M5 train is in 1.5 minutes. San Siro, going to San Siro Stadio. So I have to get down at San Siro, 4th, 5th stop from here. Train has come. So it is full of people. Milan is very busy, very popular. Down from Metro 5. So now I have to walk for 600 meters for my hostel for next 2 nights. Well, it is mentioned that I have to exit Sensio station via Messina. See clearly. So I have to take left and I have to go straight for 600 meters. So I am going in this way. So after going up, this is metro map of Milan. So I will save it for next 2 days as I have to travel everywhere in Milan city. My first impressions of Milan, like central Milan. I was coming by metro, by train, but this is Milan central, like center of the city. I have to walk 200 meters and take right. It is 7 p.m. Still we can see sunshine because this is spring in Europe. Beautiful trees and buildings. I'm just 250 meters away from my hostel. So excellent. So I never experienced Milan. I never visited. I always traveled by Milano Central Station, but never came out and visited city. So that is the reason I am staying here for 2 nights, so that I can visit, explore Milan city. This is one of the fashion capital alongside Paris, New York, London.
Turn left.
Hostel for next 2 days, 2 nights. Looks excellent. Meininger, Milan. So I am just going to check in now. It is 7 p.m.
You should have waited. That means you should have gone. So we had to.
This is the entrance. Now it is 7:30, not 7 o'clock. Check-in time starts at 3 p.m. This is excellent. See the reception, sitting area, like working area, workplace. This is the reception, taking rest. I have checked in 3rd floor, room number D. I can take any bed because I am the first person. And my room number is 307. So I have to go via this door. 301, 313, 312, 302, 311, 303, 310. So nice corridor. 35, 307. This is my room for next 2 nights. Nice room. No one is there. I am the first person to check in, so I can take any bed I want. So I will take that bed, last bed. Even toilet is there, excellent. So good. I can put luggage, put my jackets, trousers, everything. Excellent, very good. Spacious. The kitchen, for guest kitchen is called. So microwave available. So all the tables. So we can cook our own food or ready-made meals we can prepare. We can prepare tea. We have kettle, plates, cups, mugs. So everything is good. So I have just bought a sandwich, or it's called panini. So I'm just going to heat in this microwave. You can see. So this is €6. So I have to eat in microwave, and this maintenance for tonight.